just want to bring you guys a simple recipe, simple and quick recipes for today, guys. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Beautiful Shine TV. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. My returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you for always passing by. Okay, now let me introduce you guys the simple recipes. I want to make it for my kids. Okay, let's go into the recipe. Okay guys, here we are. This is the recipe I'm bringing you guys this afternoon. My kids just asked me to make it for them. I'm here to cook tagliatelle. So let me introduce you guys. Here I have my salt. This salt I'm going to be using it for the tagliatelle and the stew, the sauce. I have here 1 cube of chicken mangin. I have here garlic, here onions, melusa. This is tomatoes. Here is my tagliatelle. Here is my tagliatelle. It's a simple recipe. It's Italian meal. Okay. So we have also liquid flavor mangin. So guys, let's get started. I have my pot already here waiting for me, and I have oil inside already, and my pot is in here with water. Let's get started, guys. A simple recipe as that. Okay guys, first thing I'll be adding into the pot now, I will be adding a little bit of salt. I'll go ahead and add onions. I will just let it steam like 2 seconds. So guys, I will go ahead and add tomatoes. I will go ahead and add my melusa. Sometimes I use the fresh. I use fresh cranberry. Any one of your choice. Some people can use mint to before it, so sometimes I use also this. So if you want, you can use any one of your choice, guys. So now I am using the melusa to before it. Okay. Okay guys, with this recipe I will not finish the mangin. I have to use the half of the mangin here. I will go ahead and add the garlic, and I will add a little bit of flavor mangin, liquid one, because I really love using it. It's really nice. You know, I always said it in my videos since I tasted this liquid one, and I'm not stopping using it. It's really nice, and it tasted so yummy. It tasted so good. It's really nice flavor. Okay, so I will just add a little bit of water now. Not so much, a little water. Okay. Sometimes if I'm making my own dish, and you know, when I'm making a family on, when the dish is not going, so I use sometimes, I haven't made that video on my channel, Sometimes when I'm making pasta, I use instead of water, I use wine, which is white wine, just to bring the flavor out, and it's very nice and it tastes yummy. I will bring that video very soon. Okay guys, let's just leave it for at least 7 minutes, because I wouldn't like the sauce to be too long. Just 7 minutes, I will be back. Okay, continue washing, guys. Guys, do you know that I was about to forget the pepper? So I'm putting the fresh pepper. I'm not adding so much because if not, you know now, my kids, they will not eat it. So I'm sorry for that, for not introducing it earlier. So now I will close it a little bit. I will get back to you guys, continue washing. Okay guys, in here now the water is already boiled. I will add salt inside. Okay. Then inside, you know, I like putting oil in my pasta, wherever, so that when it's getting, it should not stick together. Okay guys, I'm adding the oil. Okay, so I had a little bit oil, let me have more. Okay, so here now I'll be adding the tagliatelle. I have to turn it a little bit. I will just leave it at least for 4 minutes, because it's not it's very easy to done. So let's leave it for 4 minutes. I will get back to you guys. Okay guys, my pasta is almost ready. Sorry guys, my tagliatelle is almost ready. Okay guys, the scent is low. My feet will eat it already, guys. It's for my kids, but I will taste from it. Okay. Wow, it smells so nice, guys. It smells so nice. This is really good. Okay guys, my food is ready. Who want to join guys? The food is ready. Guys, this food, it smells so good. I am satisfied of doing this food. Okay guys, as my children said they want to eat food, this is what they want to eat. They said, Mama, prepare this for us. It's okay, because it's not taking time. I was really happy to make it for them. They are so happy to eat it this afternoon, guys. You can try it for your kids. It's very yummy, guys, but I can't leave you guys just to go without telling you how the food look like, guys. I have to tell you guys how the food look like. Okay guys, let's have a taste of the food. Okay, let's have a taste, guys. I need to tell you how the food look like. Wow, this food tastes so yummy. It came out very nicely, guys. Wow, this is really nice, guys. I love you all. Thanks for joining me for today's video. I really appreciate you guys. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, please press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you guys, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.